Tori and welcome back to my channel. And today I have my Target beauty box. And this is my first Target beauty box that I've ordered. And this one is a little different because it's not a subscription where they send it out each month. You have to go on to Target and order it. And then this month I finally got it because it usually sell out right away. So this is my first one. I wanted to try it out and see if I like it. So I wanted to share it with you wonderful people. So let's go ahead and open it and see what I got from Target. So here it is. And I want to open it with you. Oh, here we go. Let's see what's there. Okay, so when you open it, this is what's on top. It says, hello, stay K. So let's see. With the card. Hello, stay K. Your $3 off Target coupon for any beauty products of $15 or more. So that's included cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. And there it is there. Well, it's good they give us this wonderful coupon because I love coupons. So I would definitely use this. So they come with this thing and let's open it. Okay, I can't wait to go through it. Bam. So let's go through each product together. Yay, yay, yay. The first one is Vinci Moisturizer. So this is a 89 face moisturizer. So this is the container here. Booster for your skin. Oh, okay. So this is a moisturizer, water. Daily face booster. All right, so that's good. I put it on and it dried up really good. So yay, I will be trying it as a moisturizer for your face. Next up is a body wash. This is from Miss Meyer's Clean Day. When it's time to take care and clean up really nice, gently through cleansing and a fresh lavender scent, believes to be relaxing. And this is in a lavender scent. Oh yes, it smells really good. So it's really cleans and moisturizes your skin. I love body wash. So next up is this Thick and Full, this is shampoo. Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo. Oh yes. And this has vitamins, B7, biotin's collagen, and a wheat protein. Helps to infuse minerals into every strand and creates appearance of thick, fuller, healthier looking hair. So, oh, okay. It seems like it'll work out pretty good. I love the gold. It's that cute, right? The gold and that purple together. Cute packaging. This is the Dove Exfoliation Body Polish. Scrubbing macadamia and rice milk. Oh, cool. I never tried this. This is the first time I've even seen this. So it renews silky, smooth skin with a new Dove Exfoliation Body Polish that exfoliates and restores skin's natural nutrients. Okay. Body polish. All right. So this is hair mask. And this is really good. This is Nexus. I heard about hair masks, but I haven't tried any. Intensive hydrating. So it's supposed to give a little bit more hydration to your hair, which I will definitely try out and see if I like it. Butter-like texture for a mild and through the comb and rinse out in 5 minutes. So yeah, it's like a type of moisturizer, but it is considered a hair mask, so it's a little bit more intense for you. Yep, so here we go. Oh, I love this so far. From CoverGirl, this is the Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick. Okay, so this is in color 110. And I love the cute packaging. It's pink, honey. Oh, it is the CoverGirl Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick. And this is the container, and it is really, really cute. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, and it has the little pout there, so where you press down on it. Let's see. what comes out. Oh, this color is pretty. Let's see. Let's swatch it. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, check that color out. Oh, that's pretty. It's like that pretty, a pretty shade in this pink family. Yeah. So, yes. Oh, yeah. I can't wait to try that out. So last but not least, this is the Pretty Animal Tiger Moisturizing Sheet Mask. And you know a girl loves sheet masks. So, and it's really cute. Look at that packaging. Animal has cute packaging. Yes, so this is in your face, and you open it up and you put it on your face for 10 to 20 minutes, and voila. There it is. Amazing products. Yes, so I would rate this box a 9. They killed that. I absolutely love all the products I received. It's body wash. They gave you a little lipstick. They gave you shampoo. They did do some body polish. Gave you moisturizer and a lipstick. Like, who can go wrong with that? These 6 products absolutely rock. So yes, I rate this one a 9. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.